Welcome, and thank you for joining us on this journey to discover what lies beyond the gate. Today, we're stepping into a world where beauty, peace, and inspiration blend seamlessly to create a home that feels like an escape. From the very first step through the entrance, you'll experience a space designed to welcome you with serenity and spark your creativity. Let's explore how a simple gate can open the door to a life filled with harmony and endless inspiration. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Vicky Dream Home. After this, welcome to a place where the journey begins, where beauty, peace, and inspiration await just beyond this gate. This is the grand entrance to a world of beauty, peace, and inspiration. As the gate opens, a new chapter begins. The entrance to a home isn't just a physical threshold, it's an invitation to leave behind the noise of the world and step into a space where peace reigns, where beauty surrounds, and where every detail is designed to inspire. It isn't just something you see, it's something you feel. It's in the way the light dances across the leaves, the soft hum of nature, the colors that bring joy to the soul. Every corner of this space has been curated with care, making sure that beauty flows from the very first step you take inside. Here, in this peaceful oasis, calm is not an afterthought, it's the foundation. From the carefully chosen plants to the gentle sounds of nature, every element is chosen to help quiet the mind and soothe the spirit. This space isn't just about aesthetics, it's about creating an environment that helps you breathe easier, think clearer, and simply be. Peace alone are not enough. Inspiration flows through this entrance like a current, urging you to explore, to create, to imagine. Whether it's through the architecture, the colors, or the art, this space beckons you to dream, to allow your thoughts to wander, and to find new ways of seeing the world. When inspiration coexist, there's a deep sense of belonging. Every visitor, every member of the family, feels like they are part of something larger than themselves, a space where creativity and serenity thrive, and where everyone is invited to feel truly at home. Beyond the gate, inside the home, the story continues. This world of beauty, peace, and inspiration doesn't stop at the threshold. It only deepens. As you enter the home, it invites you to experience the same sense of wonder, calm, and creativity in every room. Step through the gate and into your own world of beauty, peace, and inspiration. A world where every moment holds the potential for calm, creativity, and connection. This is the grand entrance, the first step into a life well lived, a life of balance, joy, and tranquility. Thank you for joining us on this journey of beauty, peace, and inspiration.